Mediterranean free bean salad. Welcome to Aisha's Lavender Kitchen. In a large bowl, add 240 grams of ready cooked red kidney beans, 240 grams of ready cooked chickpeas, 240 grams of ready cooked cannellini beans. Now peel and chop one medium carrot and place into the bowl. Chop a handful of parsley and place into the bowl. Half a red onion, slice and chop and place into the bowl. For the dressing, squeeze one whole lemon into your salad. Add 3/4 teaspoon of salt, add 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes and half a teaspoon of sumac. Now drizzle some olive oil. Mix your salad well to incorporate all the ingredients. Mediterranean free bean salad, nutritious and satisfying, can be enjoyed as a side or a main dish. If you liked my video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.